Okay, I've been working on a new feature here. Let's start a scan, and let's go to this new tab called Json API, and I'm going to start the API, and it's a Flask API that's running. So here I go, view all scans, and I get these new buttons. So this is a scan of this. You know, these are all the scans. Then I have a URL that doesn't change, and that's always last scan data. So what I have here is just an array. It's just frequency and value, and then at the bottom I have as well with it all the markers. So here are all the markers that are part of that scan. So you can generate a plot from this. And the plot is, all of the wireless microphone stuff, the zone name, the device name, everything. That's part of that. You can also view the scan in progress, I think. No, maybe. The latest, yeah. So latest is the latest complete one. And that also includes all of the markers with the scan. So as it's scanning, yeah, it does all of that stuff. This is just markers. So if you just want to see just the markers, there's also a URL for that. Cool. Bada bing.